I stood in my empty event hall, the last balloon deflating, my career in ruins after layoffs, shame whispering I'd never rise again. Then, a single guest book note. You made this night unforgettable, ignited a Stoic spark within. Welcome to Stoic Reign, where 6 Stoic habits forged in ancient wisdom transform despair into determination, doubt into discipline, and chaos into clarity. For middle-aged Americans battling failure, disconnection, or self-doubt, this 14-day Stoic Unbreakable Forge reduces anxiety, sparks motivation, and crafts a Stoic mindset no storm can shatter. Life in 2025 is a crucible. Jobs vanish, bonds fray, inner doubts roar. Yet Stoic habits offer an unshakable core. A 2024 Journal of Behavioral Medicine study found Stoic practices cut stress by 25%, boosting mental clarity and drive. Whether you're new to Stoic Habits 2025 or seeking Stoicism for women to mend fractured relationships, these Stoic exercises are your forge. Not hollow promises, they're practical Stoic habits to fuel self-improvement, mindfulness, and Stoic motivation. Let's meet 6 Americans who forged unbreakable spirits, starting with me. I'm Lena, a house event organizer from Santa Fe. Layoffs gutted my career, shame isolating me from family. I began a Stoic habit. Each morning, I clapped my hands for 3 minutes, naming a doubt like I'm a failure, saying, I forge courage. I revamped my portfolio. Marcus Aurelius said, you have power over your mind, not outside events. This flame of valor, which that study showed reduces anxiety, rebuilt my confidence. My new events sell out, proving Stoic habits heal daily. Next is Marcus, a security consultant from Raleigh. Estranged friends left him lonely, guilt corroding his peace. He embraced the bridge of connection. Each evening, he sketched a handshake for 4 minutes, saying, I rebuild this bond, picturing a friend. He called one. Epictetus said, we are made for cooperation. This Stoic habit eased Marcus's stress, sparking Stoic love. His friendships thrive, a triumph of Stoic philosophy. Then there's Aisha, a children's educator from Albuquerque. Self-doubt froze her, fearing classroom flops. She adopted the beacon of focus. Each morning, she traced her palm for 3 minutes, naming a priority, like, teach boldly. She planned a lesson. Seneca said, concentrate on what's essential. This Stoic habit boosted her productivity and self-improvement. Aisha's students adore her, proof Stoicism for women shines. Meet Joel, a project manager from Boise. Work chaos scattered his focus, stress spiking. He used the tide of release. Each evening, he poured water into a bowl for 4 minutes, saying, I let this go, releasing a worry, like a late project. Epictetus said, some things are up to us, some are not. This Stoic habit calmed his mind, fostering mindfulness. Joel's family dinners glow, showing Stoic lessons work. Nina, a physical therapist from Burlington, dreaded losing control under work pressure, anxiety surging. She practiced the spark of gratitude. Each morning, she held a stone for 3 minutes, naming a blessing like, my patient's trust. She praised a coworker. Marcus Aurelius said, dwell on the beauty of life. This Stoic habit strengthened her mental health and relationships. Nina's calm inspires, a testament to Stoic grit. Finally, Vikram, a gardener from Tucson. Routine dulled his purpose, leaving him adrift. He used the seed of wisdom. Each evening, he buried a pebble for 5 minutes, naming a lesson like, growth fuels me. He enrolled in a course. Seneca said, as long as you live, keep learning. This Stoic habit ignited motivation and Stoic drive. Vikram's gardens bloom, proving Stoic reign. These stories forge the 14-day Stoic Unbreakable Forge, a blueprint inspired by lives transformed. These 6 Stoic habits reduce anxiety, boost productivity, and nurture Stoic love. Perfect for middle-aged Americans seeking an unbreakable mindset. Each takes 3 to 5 minutes, ideal for Stoic beginners or Stoicism for women craving clarity. Practice. One daily for 2 weeks, journal progress and watch your soul strengthen. Day 1 to 2. Flame of Valor. Clap your hands for 3 minutes each morning, naming a doubt, like I'm not enough. Say, I forge courage. Act like tackling a task. Marcus Aurelius said, power over your mind. This Stoic habit clears anxiety and sparks motivation. Lena used it to soar. It's your flame for Stoic philosophy. Day 3-4. Beacon of Focus. Trace your palm for 3 minutes each morning, naming a priority like finish a task. Say, this is my focus. Act like working undisturbed. Seneca said, concentrate on what's essential. This Stoic habit boosts productivity and self-improvement. Aisha used it to shine. It's your beacon for Stoic lessons. Day 5-6. Bridge of Connection. Sketch a handshake for 4 minutes each evening, picturing a lost bond. Say, I rebuild this. Act like texting a friend. Epictetus said, made for cooperation. This Stoic habit fosters relationships and mental health. Marcus used it to reconnect. It's your bridge to Stoic wisdom. Day 7 to 8. Tide of Release. Pour water into a bowl for 4 minutes each evening, naming a worry like, I can't control this. Say, I let this go. Act like skipping a pointless debate. Epictetus said, some things are up to us, some are not. This Stoic habit reduces anxiety and sparks mindfulness. Joel used it to focus. It's your tide for Stoic calm. Day 9 to 10. Spark of Gratitude. Hold a stone for 3 minutes each morning, naming a blessing, like my family. Say, I'm grateful. Act like thanking someone. Marcus Aurelius said, dwell on beauty. This Stoic habit strengthens mental health and Stoic love. Nina used it to thrive. It's your spark for Stoic practice. Day 11-12. Seed of Wisdom. Bury a pebble for 5 minutes each evening, naming a lesson like, patience builds strength. Say, I grow. Act like learning something new. Seneca said, keep learning. This Stoic habit ignites motivation and self-improvement. Vikram used it to bloom. It's your seed for Stoic Reign. Day 13. Integration. Combine Flame of Valor and Spark of Gratitude. Clap your hands, face a doubt, then hold a stone. Name a blessing. Journal. Doubt, failure. Action, thanked a colleague. Outcome, stronger. This Stoic habit deepens your unbreakable mindset, blending courage and gratitude. Day 14. Reflection. Spend 5 minutes reflecting. What broke me before? How am I unbreakable now? Write one win, like I faced fear, and one goal, like stay focused. Say, I'm unbreakable. This Stoic habit solidifies mental health and Stoicism for women, forging lasting strength. These 6 Stoic habits, flame, beacon, bridge, tide, spark, seed, forge your 14-day Stoic Unbreakable Forge, turning wounds into wisdom for middle-aged Americans facing failure or doubt. Subscribe to Stoic Reign for weekly Stoic habits to fuel your 2025, and comment, I'm unbreakable to spark your unbreakable mindset today.